Ha? Aw. So guys, I'm gonna officially buy something I should not buy because of my dad. But this is the best way possible because it's for my mom. So wait guys. Okay. So we're now leaving. So meet you in my house. So then go down. Okay guys. Pabilihan ko papasok si Kenny. Dali pa. Igawa ko malaki ito para kasya ka. Alam ko hindi ka kasya. Agat lak halaman eh. Agat lak halaman eh. Agat lak halaman eh. Agat lak